Greetings to one and all. This is Roslyn here, and today I'm going to explain the concept in science, that is the structure of an atom. Let's begin. An atom is the smallest particle of an element. For example, we have sodium, hydrogen, helium, xenon, magnesium. We have n number of atoms. Okay, and an atom, as you can see in the picture, an atom, this is an atom. It has a nucleus, and a nucleus has the neutrons and the protons, and the electrons are being revolving around the nucleus in the electronic shell. Okay, the nucleus of an atom has two particles in it, namely the protons and the neutrons. The protons are positively charged and the neutrons have no charge, that is, they are neutral. And we could see that the electrons are negatively charged. This is the basic structure. Many scientists have worked in order to get the exact structure of an atom. The first and the foremost was the scientist called J.J. Thomson, and he has explained us that an atom is a sphere, uniform sphere, where electrons are being embedded into that. For example, you could see in watermelon, the red part was the protons, which is positively charged, and the electrons are embedded. The seeds which you could see in watermelon are like electron charges. He has compared the structure of an atom to this watermelon, wherein the positive charge is the red color pulp and the negative charge are the electrons. And he said that, and hence his model was called as the watermelon model. And he also said the amount of positive charge is equal to the amount of negative charge, and hence an atom is neutral, he said. It has some drawbacks. For example, the positive charge and the negative charge cannot be so close to each other. So hence his model was being rejected. So few more scientists, as we are going to discuss it later, had tried in order to get an exact structure of an atom. The next scientist who worked on this was the Ernest Rutherford, and he had done one experiment. He had taken a gold foil which is having 1,000 atoms. He had taken, as you could see in the picture, and he has taken and he has allowed the alpha particles to pass through this gold foil, and he observed few things. Some rays had passed directly, some made an acute angle, some made the obtuse angle, and some had deflected at 180 degrees. So looking at this, he had come for some observation. I have listed for you. And he observed that much of the space inside the gold coil was empty, and at the center, in the nucleus, he said that something positive charge will be present in the center of the atom, that is in the nucleus. Okay, these two things he concluded, and finally his limitation was he failed to explain the stability of an atom. Rutherford failed to explain the stability of an atom, and hence his model was being rejected.